Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be doing a special unboxing of the new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I've been really looking forward to checking out this device, and I know I'm a little late to the party here, but huge thanks to Google's Team Pixel for actually sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. And just look at how cool this box looks. I have not opened it up yet. This is actually how it came straight out of the shipping box, and it actually came with this nice looking bag right here as well. And inside the bag is actually the box for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And this box has actually already been opened. See, if I open the box itself, yeah, the device is not even in here. So it's gotta be somewhere inside this box right here. But other things that come in the actual box itself are, you know, the user manuals, the SIM ejector tool, and let's see, do we get a charging cable? And we get a charging cable as well. But let me go ahead and get rid of all this stuff right here. So how do I do this? So it looks like it has a strap. Okay, so we got something right here, Google Pixel 9 collection. So it looks like this, let's see. Okay, it opens up. So this part, I'm assuming, okay, so this little rubber part comes off. We don't need that. And then we have the box itself. I'm trying to look at it in the viewfinder right here because I want you guys to get the full effect right here. So I'm assuming, how do we, oh, okay, here we go. Okay, let me, let's see. Which way do I turn it? I don't know which way. Okay, let's see. Well, the name is up here in the front, Google Pixel 9 collection. So let's just open it up like this. Ooh, look at that. This is so cool. It's almost like a trophy. This has got to be one of the coolest presentations that I have seen yet from Google. Look at how cool this is. Let me turn it around and open it with the back showing right here. So let's see. That's what I just saw right now. Look at how cool that is. Beautiful looking device. We got these LED lights down at the bottom there, kind of lighting up the entire device. It just looks super cool. But let me go ahead and take it out of the box here. I'm a little scared to take this out. Oh my good, look at how beautiful that device looks right there. Look at how good this looks. Nice matte frosted finish in the back. Now we do have glossy sides. Just looking at it, I kind of wish Google went with the matte sides as well, because these will attract fingerprints. And I know me myself, I am gonna wanna run this phone naked every now and then, like I do with some of my other devices. Yeah, I'm always want to use a case on my device, but there are those times where I just wanna run my phone naked, and I really don't want to have to constantly wipe the sides down because of fingerprints. But I mean, aside from that, it is a beautiful looking device. And honestly, to me personally, it has a lot more of a premium feel than last year's model, last year's generation. It feels really good in the hand. It feels like a solid device, and it's pretty big as well. Loving the rounded corners. Now, I will be honest, yes, it does kind of have that iPhone look to it. Now, if you know me personally, if you've been following the channel for a while, I'm not really the biggest fan of iPhones. I mean, you'll notice if you go through all of my content, I really don't cover iPhone here on the channel. I have here and there, you know, just to try it out, but I'm more of an Android guy. But this does kind of give you that feeling of an iPhone. So this is gonna kind of be like the iPhone of Android devices. But this is just a beautiful device. Of course, we got that new, kind of looks the same as last year, but they kind of changed it up to where it's not meeting the edges of the back of the device, that camera bar back there. But either way, it's still looking nice and premium. Now the camera bar is of a matte finish, so it's not glossy like the rest of the sides of the phone, but beautiful. We get the cutouts down at the bottom, SIM card slot, nothing over to the left, over to the right. Of course, we get the power button, volume rockers. Up top, we do get a microphone. I'm trying to see if this has any juice. And there we go. So it looks like we got some juice there. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this boot up, go ahead and sign into, you know, my accounts and stuff like that, just so we can take a quick look, you know, at the whole user interface and just kind of see how smoothly this phone runs. And maybe I'll take, you know, my first selfie or something like that. So I'll be back in a bit. All right, so I'm all signed in and ready to go. As you can see here, the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn up the brightness a bit. And look at that. Look at the display. Actually looks really, really good. Very beautiful display, getting an all screen experience with that punch hole camera cut out up at the top. But for the most part, I am signed in and ready to go. It's still setting itself up as you can see here, but this is just enough to take a quick look at this device, and it is running super smooth. I mean, it's got that pixel smooth, if you know what I mean. Now, I'm not sure if it's 120 hertz out the box. It feels like it is. Let me go ahead and go into my display settings. Here we go. So as you can see, I am using dark mode, screen timeout after 10 minutes of activity. Night light is off. Colors I do have set to adaptive, it looks like. Okay, screen resolution. Let's go to full resolution. Now you wanna make sure to do this if you do wanna take advantage of this big, beautiful display here. Let's go back, and it looks like the smooth display is on, automatically raises the refresh rate up to 120 hertz. For some content, it does increase battery usage, but I am perfectly fine with that. I want to make sure to have that on. That way I'm getting the smoothest experience possible, and it just seems super smooth. Look at that, super, super smooth. Now you guys probably can't tell here on camera how smooth this looked, but here in person, it's very smooth experience. Now I did set up the fingerprint sensor, that in-display fingerprint sensor. Look at how fast that is. Boom, boom, boom. One more time. Boom. Definitely a lot faster than last year, that is for sure. Now, I am not used to this, having the power button up top with the volume rockers on the bottom. All of the devices that I use have the power button on the bottom and the volume rockers up top. So this is a little different than what I'm used to, which I will have to get used to, of course, here with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. But I mean, absolutely a beautiful, beautiful display. Like I said, the phone is still setting itself up, but as far as first impressions go, I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with what Google did this year here with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, looking really, really good. I really can't wait to actually start using this device. You already know I'm gonna have tons of content coming here with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of that future content coming with this device right here. I already know I've had a lot of questions asking if I'm going to do my battery drain test that I do with every single device. You already know I'm gonna do my battery drain test with the Pixel 9 Pro XL right here, as well as my 4K video test, my camera reviews, gaming reviews. I have tons of content coming with this device right here. Again, huge thanks to Google's Team Pixel for sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. So far, it is looking good, but y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Let me know what you think about this presentation as well that Google provided us with this cool looking box right here. Let me go ahead and open it back up. Look at that. Boom, definitely a super cool presentation. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, just a quick unboxing and first impressions, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Again, this was the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'm Josh Quinones. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.